Hey beauties! Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this video. I am starting out with the NYX Brow Tint Moisturizer. I freaking love this stuff. And I'm using the shade Taupe. I go in between the taupe shade and the darkest shade, and I cannot remember the name of it. Let me just say, a little disclaimer, my skin apparently got a little darker. I've been in the sun and my foundation did not catch up to it, at least not this foundation that I put on. But you know, it's neither here or there. I kind of just had to let y'all know what was going on. It happens, whatever. Just to backtrack a little bit, when I use the tint moisturizer, I pretty much use that to fill in and coat the brows. And I like doing this step first because when I go in with the brow pomade, I won't need much product and I don't have to put that much work in. Now I'm using the angle brush and the brow pomade to fill in the sparse areas that the tint moisturizer was not able to get. Again, this allows me to not put so much effort into filling my brows and I use less product. So whatever's left on my brush, I just use that and spread that product out, blending it at the same time. When I tell y'all this is effortless, I love it. And I'm using a small concealer brush and I am cleaning up the top of my brow and I'm using my foundation color. That way you don't see too much of a contrast. And under my brows, I am using a shade that's 1 to 1.5 shade lighter than my actual skin tone, and I'm just cleaning it up, and you can really see that brow getting more defined just by concealing it. So once you do that, and if you want to add more of the brow pomade, you can to darken it up, but it's to each his own. Make it your thing. But for me, depending on how I'm feeling, I may go natural one day or I may go a little bit darker towards the end of my brow. I told you this look is so simple and effortless. You have to try it. And when you do, please comment below and tell me what you think about the whole entire process. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye. Like, where do we go from here? Like, what's next? Let me tell you, if you want to stick to the basics, I would suggest watching this video next, which is how to master, how to slay, how to lay these lashes on your own. Just click on the video and watch. If you love what you are seeing, please subscribe and leave comments below on what you love and what you would love to see next. Thank you.